So heading into this week, the SPY is currently setting up for an amazing money-making opportunity. I'm going to show you how to capture this trend reversal in real time. The stock market is setting up for a phenomenal trading opportunity heading into tomorrow along with earlier into this week. We are currently at key critical oversold support levels on the SPY, and I'm going to be explaining exactly to you step by step the unique trading strategies along with the key levels that we are planning to trade the best setups at the best prices. I'm going to walk you through how we're planning to determine an oversold reversal and key levels to buy the dip on the SPY for call options. I'm going to walk you through the key resistance levels for the break and retest where we're planning to buy SPY call options. Once it breaks above resistance, drops back down, forms a bullish 30-minute candlestick confirmation floor at the level, going to be buying call options. I'm going to show you how to trade the SPY both ways at these key levels for oversold reversals in break and retest strategy. If you are serious about making money, make sure you stay till the end of this video. I can assure you, in terms of the levels we are at, along with the strategies, this is going to be a very rare money-making opportunity. If you're serious about making money, make sure you implement this game plan. We're going to get straight into the analysis. Towards the end of this lesson, I'm going to be going over all of the massive wins that we ended up having inside of Team Roar on Friday. I ended up going 1-for-1. Uncle Tio ended up going 1-for-1 with a 350% profit return. G-Roar ended up having 11 plus wins and only one loss on the day. As a collective, as a whole, we absolutely crushed it. So let's get straight into the money-making information. So in terms of the SPY, what you need to understand is we are currently at key critical oversold support. The main focus is going to be to buy call options. I'm going to walk you through the exact game plan on how we're planning to do this heading into tomorrow, along with earlier into this week. There's going to be phenomenal dip buying opportunities, and there's going to be phenomenal break and retest opportunities for call options. Let's get into it. So as you can see, in terms of the daily chart on the SPY, we have a lot of key critical support towards this 580.50 level. In terms of a more oversold level, we have previous resistance right here to react to support. We have a gap right here for a gap reversal at 577. Now, based off of what I'm seeing on the daily chart, right, you can see we are at very key critical support on the overall daily chart. The SPY is obviously due for a bounce. We also have a gap that is waiting to fill above at 589.50. Within time, that gap is going to be filling. Now, in terms of what I'm seeing on the daily chart pattern, as you can see right here, the SPY ended up having a gap down towards this 594 level. And if you look at this daily candlestick right here on the day it gapped down, the next day it ended up bottoming slightly below the previous closing price. And then it had an overall strong bullish week. And if you kept buying call options towards those previous day lows, those would have been great dip buying opportunities as well. So based off this overall pattern, there was opportunities to buy the dip and there was opportunities to buy break and retest at key resistance levels. So if you take a look right here, the SPY ended up having a gap down at a very similar level, and we are more oversold now in a sense. There's multiple gaps that are waiting to fill above. There's a gap that's waiting to fill above at 589.50. There's a gap that's waiting to fill above at 601.38, right? And if you look at this daily candlestick right here, and you look at this daily candlestick right here, and you look at this daily candlestick right here, you're going to see very, very similar, man. This daily candlestick right here, 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 and a gap down right here. A lot of similarities. So heading into the market tomorrow, the main focus is going to be to see if the bulls can form a floor slightly below or at the previous closing price. The first game plan heading into tomorrow is going to be to buy call options if we are seeing a bullish 30-minute candlestick confirmation, a trend reversal 30-minute candlestick confirmation, a floor slightly below or at the previous closing price based off of past history patterns, based off of, what I'm seeing on the daily chart. So throughout any period of the day, if we are seeing bullish 30-minute candlestick confirmations, this is going to be the zone. The following zone is going to be the previous closing price, 580.49, and then slightly below that. So in terms of slightly below that, it's going to be slightly towards those previous day lows, which is going to be towards this 578.50 to 579. That's going to be the overall zone. If the SPY is reacting bullish in between previous day lows to previous closing price, or at previous closing price, or at previous day lows, the plan is to buy SPY call options for an overall bullish trend day. If we form support at 579, the next level we go to is 580.50. If we break above 580.50, drop back down to retest and react to support, the next level the SPY is going to be uptrending to is going to be the following: 584. That will be the next resistance level. If we break above that and react to support, the next level we're going to be uptrending to is right here towards 588. We could see a pullback towards this 588 level. Now, in terms of the pullback zone, in terms of resistance, heading into this week, you're going to want to keep your eyes on this 587.50 to 588 to 589.50 gap close reversal zone. That would be, in terms of a key resistance overbought level to be buying put options, this is what I would consider to be the first overall level when targeting put options at major resistance at overbought levels for a gap reversal and partial gap reversal, along with this previous support to react as a resistance. You can see right here, you have all of this support at 588. Once the SPY cracked this support, it had a massive sell-off and it never spiked back up to 588. So this previous support is likely to react as a resistance. And if you go back and you study that overall daily chart pattern that I ended up showing you, you can see it kept on dropping towards a lot of resistance. And I'm telling you, towards these upper previous highs, even 586, you can keep an eye on. But just keep an eye on that 586, keep an eye on 587.50, keep an eye on 588. Keep an eye on the gap close reversal level at 589.50 for the put levels, right? Now, in terms of a 30-minute candlestick pattern that I'm seeing on the SPY where it can potentially bottom towards the previous day lows, I wanted to point this pattern out for you here. So in terms of the pattern, this is what it looks like. You can see right here, the SPY is just chopping in the pre-market. You see how we're chopping in the pre-market on the 30-minute chart. You see how we're chopping in the pre-market on the 30-minute chart. Then it's a falling knife. It's just a straight falling knife down. Then it's a falling knife. It's just a straight falling knife down. And then it has a sharp uptrend. Then it has a sharp uptrend, kind of like a V-shaped recovery. Then it sells off like a middle finger. Then it sells off like a middle finger. And then it starts to bottom towards the previous day lows, The next day starts to have an uptrend. And then it starts to sell off towards that previous day high and towards that previous support level to react as a resistance level. So I'm telling you, in terms of puts, you need to keep an eye on 586 and you need to keep an eye on 588 to 589.50. If you are seeing resistance, red bearish 30-minute candlestick confirmations, you're going to be buying those fucking puts. Now, in terms of if this history is not repeating itself, and let's say that we are not currently reacting bullish towards previous day lows, this is going to be the next overall levels. So if the SPY is not reacting bullish at the previous day lows, the next levels are going to be the following. This is what you need to keep an eye on. We have previous resistance to react to support towards this 576 to 576.80 overall zone. This is previous resistance to react to support, break and retest, gap and go retest, gap close reversal at 576.70. Keep an eye on that zone. If you're seeing bullish 30-minute candlestick confirmations in between this overall zone, is going to be call options. Now, in terms of the next level under that, 574.50. That's make or break. If it goes under 574.50, the next level we drop to is 569.77. That's a very oversold gap. I would love to be buying call options automatically, even without a confirmation in a sense, if it went to 570. So in terms of an overall ladder to give you, it's going to be 570, gap reversal, auto buy calls, most oversold level. Next level is going to be 574. Next zone is going to be 575.70 to 576.70, gap close reversal, previous resistance to react to support, gap and go, break and retest, right? And then the next level above that is going to be the previous day lows. The previous day lows is going to be at 578.55. The next level above that is going to be the previous closing price, 580.50. The next level above that is going to be 584. Next level above that is going to be 586. Keep an eye on puts for 586. Next level above that is going to be 588, and then the 589.50 gap reversal level. 588 is previous support to react as a resistance for the lower highs. 589.50 is the gap reversal. That is the ladder that I'm giving you heading into this week to start you off early into the week. And then in terms of an auto buy level where you just get inputs automatically, 601.30. One of the highest gaps waiting to fill above, auto gap close reversal. That's the ladder I'm giving you for now. So as a trader, I'm giving you the best levels, and I'm showing you in terms of the ladder, some of the likely possible outcomes, what patterns to look for. And it is your job to determine with these prices on the ladder that I'm giving you to be self-sufficient and determine if it's reacting as a support level or reacting as a resistance level. Is it forming a trend reversal 30-minute candlestick confirmation pattern, or is it not forming a trend reversal situation and it's just going to keep on following the overall trend, not have reversal, right? You need to determine if a floor, roof, or support bounce is forming at these overall levels. You need to be using the 30-minute candlestick confirmations that I've been teaching you when I recap the overall trades that I've been making. So make sure that you are using these levels to your advantage. I can assure you these are the best levels you can possibly be trading at. Do not blindly trade a bias or a strategy. There are certain strategies we have, like gap close reversal, but that doesn't mean that it's always going to reverse at the gap, right? So use a confirmation. Another strategy we have, previous day highs in this situation based off the pattern, right? So I'm using daily chart foundations. I'm identifying patterns that can potentially repeat itself. One of the strategies I can give you with this information is, in terms of confirmations, we're looking throughout the history, and I'm showing you the patterns and I'm giving you levels. Look at the 10-day, 30-minute chart and just analyze it. Analyze the 10-day, 30-minute chart and study how the candlesticks look when SPY bottoms, when SPY bottoms and has a break and retest, when SPY bottoms and has a reversal, when SPY tops. If you start capturing patterns on the 30-minute chart that have previously happened throughout the past 10 days at these new key levels, that is the best way to go about this overall system. So use the levels, use the ladder, look for patterns throughout the past 10 days, 20 days on the 30-minute chart. And if you are seeing a pattern that repeated in the past at one of the specific levels I gave you, the overall direction should be working the vast majority of the overall time period. So just look at the patterns and see what happened when SPY topped, when SPY bottomed, when SPY had a break and retest, when SPY had a breakdown and retest, right? I give you the strategies, I give you levels, don't blindly trade a bias. So it is your job to determine if it's reacting bullish or bearish at the levels. It is your job to confirm if it's a bullish or bearish confirmation, if it's going to keep on following the trend, or if the trend's going to shift and have a reversal. It is your job to capture the trend and capture the confirmations at these overall levels. This is how you trade the best levels at the best setups. Now, in terms of all the fucking wins, let's get into the massive fucking wins, man. I'm going to walk you through this. So, inside of Team Roar, you guys are well aware, man. Fridays, they tend to be our absolute best fucking trading days. We absolutely fucking destroyed it, man. Just look at this, man. Look at all the fucking gains that are coming in. Look at this, man. People were making so much fucking money. They were still posting their gains over the fucking weekend. 7% profit return on the portfolio. 11% profit return on the portfolio. $3,009. Look at this. $1,300 profit. A 50% profit return on your portfolio in one single day with the G-Roar dinosaur and the popcorn. Do you understand? Look at that chart. That is straight the fuck up. That's how I like my gains, man. We're here to get rich fucking quick. We're here to get rich right fucking now. When we enter a fucking trade, we expect that fucking trade to go straight the fuck up, man. That's what we like to see. And you're going to see, man, it's unlimited, non-stop fucking winning inside of Team Roar. Look at this. Postwala, congratulations. $1,600 profit on the day. Love to see it. Very consistent member. Been on an absolute tear lately. $760 profit, 6% return on the account. 38% profit return. Love to see it, Ken. And then we have another member absolutely crushing it. Let's see. Oh, Netflix put options. Nearly $500 profit on that. As you can see, this is unlimited printing. This is just from Friday. We are printing nonstop. This secure private organization is making over 6 figures a day collectively as a whole. We have many, many members. And you're just going to see, man, it's unlimited fucking winning. It's nonstop fucking winning. All we do is fucking print. All we do is fucking win, man. Look at that, 4.5K. Absolutely love it, man. So as you can see, man, It's just nonstop winning. Straight the fuck up. 1,300% profit return, 50% profit return. It's like, dude, who the fuck do you know is printing like us at the speed of fucking light? It's just nonstop fucking winning, man. All I fucking see is gains, and the gains are just straight the fuck up, man. It's like an instant printing money fucking machine, man. We're going to get into all the fucking amazing trades, man. Like I said, man, I just look at this, man, and it's just truly crazy what is going on, man. You know, unfortunately, people are using Robinhood. We do not recommend this broker with our system and style of trading. But even the Robinhooders, man, they just love this straight fucking up system where they just enter a trade and their portfolio just goes straight the fuck up. So 44% profit return there, $2,200 profit. It's like, dude, these members are making the cost to stay over a year inside of this program on their first fucking day. It's like unlimited fucking printing, man. It's just non-fucking stop printing. Got to give a big shout out to Christian. Very, very consistent member. 578 puts, 180% profit return. Printing at the speed of fucking light. So in terms of how we like our printing, we like our printings at the speed of fucking light. And in terms of how we like our winning, we like our winning to be very fucking consistent and to be very fucking big. You know, so as you can see, it's just the gains, man. It's just the fucking gains, dude. 79%. It's just like, dude, it's just like, come on, man. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing all these fucking wins? It's like unlimited fucking winning in here, man. All we know how to do is fucking print at the speed of fucking light, non-fucking stop. That's all we fucking do is just print non-fucking stop, man. Look at all these fucking trades, man. It's 10:50 a.m. Many trades on the fucking day. Straight the fuck up, man. I absolutely fucking love it, man. So that's what we're doing inside of Team Roar. Now, if you want to see all the fucking massive fucking winning, let me show you. This is what's happening. You want to see what's fucking happening? I'll show you exactly what the fuck is happening inside of Team fucking Roar, man. So I'm going to walk you through this, man. We're going to go to Friday. I'm going to walk you through all of the consistency. All of the massive fucking wins. All of the outperforming every fucking trader and every fucking group that you fucking know at the speed of fucking light. I'm going to walk you through every single fucking trade, man. Let's get straight into it. So, in terms of all the fucking wins, man, I have to do a lot of scrolling, and these videos have been getting a little bit longer lately because there's just been many more wins, man. The more wins we have, the longer the fucking videos. The longer the fucking money, the longer the fucking printer. So with that being said, man, in terms of all the fucking gains, it's just nonstop unlimited fucking printing in here, man. It's like when you have a real-time zero-day options train alert system, you can print during the morning, you can print during the middle of the day, you can print during power fucking hour. You can outperform every single fucking trader and group you know at the speed of fucking light nonstop. So if we get into all the fucking massive winnings, let's get into it. As you can see right here inside of Team Roar, you do get an updated morning game plan with new key levels of interest along with real-time market commentary, right? So I'm just walking you through some of this. Not going to be going all over all of this in terms of the background to the system. You'd have to be in here to experience this in real time. But in terms of the first trade, man, who the fuck do you know is buying 581 SPY put options directly at market open? Look at this, man. 9:30 a.m. We're in at the exact fucking lows. Do you understand? 9:30 a.m. We are in 581 puts at the exact fucking lows. Who the fuck do you know is doing this, man? Look at this fucking chart. This is when we're buying the fucking puts. Do you see? Everything's 100% in real fucking time. Have your option chains open and fucking ready because we're getting ready to print at the speed of fucking light. Now, if you go to 9:30 a.m., 581 SPY puts for 81 cents a contract, right? So we're in these fucking puts right fucking here in the middle of this fucking 1 minute candlestick. And as you can see, as soon as we bought the fucking puts, they went to 300. What did I tell you inside of Team fucking Roar? I told you. These are the best market open trades you're ever going to see within the market. The wins are so fucking massive, you can walk away and call it for the rest of the day. You can finish trading from fucking 9:30 a.m. up until 10:30 a.m., walk the fuck away, and then if you want to keep on fucking winning, you can risk 25 to 50% of your gains at the absolute most. If you get back those gains, you have to stop trading because going green to red is not an option in terms of surviving within this overall market. We expect you to continue to print with us. We expect you to continue to win alongside with us, which means you're going to have risk management 101. So in terms of the max risk per trade, the most you're putting into these trades is the most you're willing to risk, which is going to be your max risk per trade. The beauty of trading options is you know exactly how much money you are going to lose. Whatever you put into the contract is the most you can lose into the option. Now, whatever you can make is unlimited profit potential. And we're focused on making the biggest percentage gains in the market, buying the cheapest, lowest risk contracts, extremely far out of the money option contracts, 0 date options only. So with that being said, man, We're absolutely crushing it in terms of your max risk per trade. That could be a couple percent of your account at the very most. And you can see, man, these fucking contracts went from 80 cents to 300 a contract at the speed of fucking light. And then later on throughout the day, they went from 16 cents all the way to 180 cents a contract. You could have printed multiple times on this fucking trade. You hold the trades. We don't get stopped out. When you're green, you set a profit stop. When you're up 10 to 20%, you leave runners, you move the profit stop up higher, and you sell the runners deep in the money for the biggest percentage gains. We have a system where these contracts tend to always go green or in the fucking money, and we don't use stop losses, and the most we put in is our max risk per trade. So if we lose on a trade, it expires zeros, it goes to worthless, we lose our max risk per trade. In terms of when we're right, if the trade's fucking green, or if it goes deep in the fucking money, we're gonna make massive fucking gains. We are right 9.5 out of 10 times. With that being said, man, the key to this is to not use a fucking stop loss and make sure you're sizing in lighter. Like I said, your max risk per trade should basically be your entire position size. And make sure you're adding 2 winners to increase the fucking winnings and setting those profit stops to protect your new average cost. So that was the first massive fucking win on the day. Now, if we get into the next fucking win on the day, you're going to see 9:33 a.m. We ended up buying 415 Tesla calls for 81 cents a contract. If you go to 415 Tesla calls at 81 cents a contract at 9:33 a.m., you're going to see this is where we got in. It's trading in the 70s. It's trading in the fucking 60s. Massive spike to 100. What did I tell you? When you are green, set a profit stop. If you are green on a trade and you set a profit stop, it is impossible to go to red. You will get stopped out for profits. Inside of Team Roar, you should be setting a profit stop when you are up 10 to 20%. This is another win. We got in right here towards the middle of this candle. It dropped all the way down to 60 cents, spiked to 100. 70 to 100 is a win. That's nearly a 50% profit return at the speed of fucking light. Now, in terms of the next fucking win, let's get into it. So I just showed you 2 wins in terms of the next fucking win. We ended up buying 577 SPY puts for 60 fucking cents a contract. So if you go to 10:01 a.m. and we go to the 577 puts, you're going to see right here, this is when we ended up getting in on the puts. We got in the puts right here. As soon as we got in, the SPY just kept on going up. It went up, 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 and up, and away. It just kept on fucking trending up. As you can see right here, in the 70 cent range, it quickly went to 110. That's another fucking win. When you're green, you set a profit stop. When you're up 10 to 20%, you get stopped out for profit. You move your profit stop up higher to ensure if the market has a big move against your trade, you're going to get stopped out for the bulk of your gains instead of smaller gains. When you're up a little bit and we see a winning confirmation and a reason to add when we're up a small amount, 5 to 20%, when everybody else is selling for baby small fucking wins, we're adding. Because when we win, we tend to win fucking big. And instead of averaging our cost down into losers, we'll buy a second strike. And that second strike that we will buy will tend to outperform the first strike. And the first strike will tend to print as well, even though we didn't time the trade perfectly. And this puts us in a situation where as long as we're trading the trend, the timing and the theta decay is not going to fucking matter. All you have to do is hold the fucking trades and set a fucking profit stop when you're fucking green. You're going to be winning 9 out of 10 fucking times. So in terms of the next fucking win, because 3 wins is not enough. We just want unlimited fucking winning. We just want everyone to fucking know that we're the best. And in order to be the fucking best, you have to win. And you have to win fucking big, and you have to win non-fucking stop, and you have to create a fucking system that outperforms every fucking trader and group you fucking know of. So we just keep on fucking winning. It's unlimited fucking printing over here, man. In terms of how we like our printing, we like our printing at the speed of fucking light. We like to make our money at the speed of fucking light, man. We could die right fucking now in the fucking moment, man. So with that being said, I'm here to get rich and I'm here to get rich right fucking now. I want to be printing at the speed of fucking light. I want to be winning fucking massive. I want to be winning fucking consistent. I want the highest fucking win rate in the game. I'm here to take it all, man. Do you understand? We are coming to take it fucking all, man. Now, in terms of the next fucking win, right? So that's 3 fucking massive wins in a fucking row. We go to the 4th massive fucking win. You're going to see 584 SPY calls at 70 cents a contract at 10:23 a.m. We go to these 584 calls at 10:23 fucking a.m. and you're going to see right here. This is where we bought the fucking calls. 10:23 fucking a.m. The calls go to 70 cents all the way to 120. Nearly 100% profit return, right? So surely enough, 4 massive fucking wins in a row. You think we stop there? No. When you're the fucking best, you can print big all fucking day. Do you understand? We are the fucking best to ever fucking do this shit, man. Who fucking prints like us? Nobody. Nobody fucking prints like us. Who the fuck do you know is printing like us at the speed of fucking light, man? The fuck? All we know how to do is fucking print non-fucking stop. Now, in terms of the next fucking win, let's get into it, man. If we go to the next fucking win, you're gonna see right here, man. Let's buy 405 calls at 66 cents a contract at 10:37 a.m. So we go to the 405 calls on Tesla. You're going to see right here. This is where we bought the Tesla calls, right here at 10:37 a.m. We got in right here towards the 70-cent range. They go to 120. It's an exact replica as the previous trade before that. Do you understand? Different fucking ticker symbol. The exact fucking replica. Same fucking price, same fucking when it's like, dude. Who fucking prints like us, man? Who the fuck do you know is printing like us at the speed of fucking light? There's not a single fucking person on this fucking planet that is printing like us. Now, if we get into the next fucking win, because all those fucking wins are not enough. We want to keep on fucking winning. We want to keep on fucking printing non-fucking stop. Nobody can fucking kill our money printer. All we do is fucking print in the morning, in the middle of the day, fucking power out now, fucking stop printing. So, if we get into the next fucking win, you're going to see right here. I'm going to walk you through this step by step. So after all of that winning, we did have to take a coffee break. There was a short, intermission. There was a short coffee break. As you can see, there was many coffees, and there was a massive coffee as well. So there was a quick coffee break, in between that. Hope you guys can understand. But in terms of the next fucking winning, 577 SPY puts for 11:30 a.m. So if we go to 11:30 a.m. on 577 SPY puts, you're gonna see the money printer just stays fucking printing. Nobody can fucking print like us at the speed of fucking light. It is not fucking possible. We are the fucking chosen ones. So if you go to 11:30 a.m. right here on SPY puts, you're gonna see in the 60-cent contract range, these quickly went from 80 cents. 60 to fucking 80 is nearly 50%. What did I fucking tell you? When you're fucking green, set a profit stop, you get stopped out for fucking profit. Sell into the move, sell into key levels, take your fucking gains, leave runners to run, sell deep with the money. Now, if we go to the next fucking win, you're gonna see, man, it's just fucking atrocious. All we do is fucking win. All we do is fucking print non-fucking stop, man. It's just unlimited fucking winning. So, if we go to 11:44 a.m., 583 SPY calls for 54 cents a contract. I'm gonna walk you through this. We go to 583 calls right here. We go to 11:44 a.m. You're gonna see right here, this is where we got the calls. Right here, we got the calls towards the exact lows almost. As you can see, these calls went from 50 cents all the way to 200 cents a contract. That is a 150% profit return at the speed of, that is a fucking 300%. You understand? Fucking 50 to fucking 200, man. 300% at the speed of fucking light. Who the fuck do you know is making 300% profit returns after many massive wins in a fucking row, non-stop fucking winning unlimited? Now, if we go to the next fucking win, you're gonna see, man, all we do is fucking win non-fucking stop. 581 SPY calls at 66 cents a contract. What did I fucking tell you, man? If you look at 583 calls at 11:44 a.m., let's fucking go to this, man. Right here, 11:44 a.m., SPY fucking calls, right? So we got these fucking calls. Look what they did. They started to drop. They dropped all the way to 27 cents. The calls were down 50%. We ain't no broke-ass bitch. We hold our fucking losses because they come back to life because we trade the fucking trend and they go in the fucking money and we print non-fucking stop. So with that being fucking said, instead of adding into our fucking losers, what the fuck do? We buy a second strike. The second strike tends to be 100 times better. Both of the fucking strikes print like fucking crazy. We tend to size in even bigger on the second fucking strike. Who the fuck do you know is saying losing and going red is a personal fucking choice when you're down over 50% on a fucking trade? The second strike is winning fucking massive, and the strike down 50% is still fucking printing. It's like, dude, we can't even fucking lose when we're down 50%. We cracked the whole fucking game, man. We broke the fucking matrix. Who the fuck do you know is making 100% returns when they're down fucking 80%? Fuck. Now, if we get into the next fucking win, let's get into this, man. So, we had the 583 calls, right? We had the 583 calls. If you go to the next fucking win, man, you're going to see 581 calls. We go to these 581 calls, you're going to see, what did I tell you? What the fuck did I tell you, man? What the fuck did I tell you? I told you, man, when we buy a fucking strike and we're down 50%, we buy a second strike. The second strike is 10 times better and we size in bigger. Look at this. This is the second strike, motherfuckers. Look at this. Everything I fucking have been telling you has been coming fucking true, man. G-War's fucking post-surgery, and he's better than ever, man. There's nothing that can fucking stop us. If we get fucking hit, we get bigger. We get fucking better. Do you understand? This is the second fucking strike at the exact fucking lows. What possibly more can you fucking want or fucking expect? What the fuck, man? There's nothing fucking like this out there on the fucking planet. All we know how to do is print massively. Look at these fucking gains. Right fucking here. 60 fucking cents to fucking 400, man. 600%. What the fuck? I invited you to my secure private organization, man. I gave you the opportunity to fucking print all fucking day on Friday. If you didn't accept that fucking invitation, you're on fucked up. All these fucking wins, all these fucking gains, all this fuck you money, man. The fuck? Now, if we get into the next fucking win, you're gonna see, man, all this fucking winning is fucking insane, man. It's just unlimited fucking winning. It's like, dude, you don't even have to check the fucking option quotes, man. These are the last prices, you understand? These are the last fucking prices moving in real time, motherfuckers. We're doing all the fucking work for you. What do you want me to do? You want me to call fucking Uncle Tio? Call fucking Uncle Tio, have him pull up in the fucking McLaren, bust your fucking door down, click the buy and sell button for you, motherfucker? What more can you possibly fucking want, man? The fuck? Now, if we get into the next fucking win, my gosh, man. So much fucking winning, man. It's just too much fucking winning. It's just too fucking much. Look at this, man. Full fucking trade recap. It's like, dude, nobody's fucking like us, man. Nobody is fucking like us out there, man. So, 580 SPY puts for 49 cents a contract, right? So, if we go to these overall 580 puts, you're going to see right here. So, in terms of this overall trade, I believe this was the L that we ended up having. Yeah, so that was the L we ended up having, right? So, the L came after several massive fucking wins. And in terms of risk management 101, if you keep on fucking trading, the most you risk is 25 to 50% of your fucking gains, right? So, being a degenerate and having poor risk management is your fucking choice and responsibility. Now, with that being said, in terms of the next fucking wins, let's get into this, right? We had 581 puts. So the 581 fucking puts, these went fucking crazy. You go to 581 puts right here. I'm gonna walk you through this, right? So 581 fucking puts, man. Look, man, 581 fucking puts. Look at this, man. So the one before that didn't work out. Look at the fucking next one. 581 SPY puts for 44 cents a contract. Right fucking here, man. Someone was saying something in the fucking chat. G-Roar called him out. Watch his fucking bank. Look at that. The trade before that, 580 puts, didn't work out. What the fuck did I tell you about the second strike? Second fucking strike is going to print like a motherfucker. It's going to be 200% plus gains fucking plus, man. The fuck? You're already up before that over 1,000 fucking percent. You're up 1,000% fucking before that. You can have 9 fucking 100% losses in a row. You can have 18 50% losses in a row and still be fucking green on the fucking day. We have people coming in here with hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars. They run it up to fucking $5,000, $10,000 through this unlimited fucking printing machine. If you are not in here, you are not a part of fuck you money, man. This is fuck you money. This is unlimited fucking printing. This is nonstop printing at the speed of fucking light. So if we go to the next fucking trade, you're going to see 581 SPY puts for 44 cents a contract. You would think after the loss before that we would stop, that we would call it. But no, the second strike is always 100 times fucking better. So we go to these 581 puts, right? And go to 581 puts right here on SPY. You're going to see right here. This is where we got in on the fucking puts. Right here, 50 cent range. They went to 170 contract. There you go. 200% plus. Trade before that didn't work out. Oh, 200% speed of fucking light, right? So as you can see, nobody's like us, man. Nobody shows you this. Nobody's like us. Nobody prints like us. There's no fucking competition at the top. We're the fucking bar. The bar just keeps on fucking going higher. It's like, dude, this amount of wins, this amount of gains, this amount of winning. It's like, man, losing and being red is a personal fucking choice, man. Sleep on fucking Roar and stay fucking broke, man. Do you understand? We're giving you the opportunity of a fucking lifetime. There's not a single person out there who is showing you this, who is giving you this opportunity to print at the speed of light. Non-fucking stop, man. Look at this. 5830 SPX calls for 150 cents. The power fucking hour trade, man. You go to this fucking trade, unlimited fucking winning, man. 581 fucking SPY calls, everything fucking printed, man. The 581 fucking SPY calls, those fucking printed. The fucking SPX fucking calls, these fucking printed, man. This is where we got in on fucking SPX. Right fucking here, they go up a fucking 100% almost and fucking instantly and 2 fucking minutes later. Right fucking here, this consolidation is 100%. So, for those of you who are serious about turning your portfolio into a straight fucking lineup where you can enter a trade and it's just unlimited fucking winning, it's the first link down below within the description. You'll gain access to our secured private organization. You'll gain access to our secured community. You'll gain access to a 0-date options trading alert system where we will be printing during the market open, during the middle of the day, and during power fucking hour. This is not just buy and sell alerts. This is a strategic money making system. Do you understand? So in terms of the strategic part about our system, I'll share with you some of the basics. Very, very simple. We are buying cheap, low risk, far out of the money option contracts. We do not use stop losses. There is no need to use a stop loss. We put in our entire max risk per trade into the trade. That is the most we're willing to risk on the trade, right? So we know exactly how much we are risking. If the contracts go to zero, that's what we lose. We are focused on trading the trend. When you trade the trend, you do not have to have perfect timing, right? Data decay is not going to fucking matter. You can be down 80% on a play and we could still make 100% plus. And when we are down that much on a play, the second strike will print like fucking crazy if we didn't time the first one right. Both of the strikes tend to print fucking massively. It is unlimited fucking winning. And one of the ways we increase our winning is not by just winning nonstop and having many, many wins in a row, but it's also adding to winners. The reason why we add to winners is to increase the fucking gains, because when we're up a small amount, when everyone else is selling, all the fucking scalpers who are all fucking rainbow using fucking stop losses, selling for fucking small wins, they don't know how to fucking win big. They haven't figured this shit out. It takes over fucking decade of fucking experience to figure this shit out. But we're fucking adding when they're all fucking selling for small fucking wins. They don't print. They don't make any fucking big gains. And small accounts aren't going to get anywhere doing that type of style of trading. And we're going extremely far out. We're adding to winners. We're setting profit stops to ensure that we don't go red to green to ensure that we don't go green to red on an overall trade. We move the profit stop up higher to protect the bulk of our gains, add to winners to increase the winnings, and we sell for fucking profits, and we sell deep in the money. This is an unstoppable zero-date options trade alert system backed by multimillionaire traders with over a decade of experience. You will not see anything else like this available within the market on the fucking planet. This is very disruptive. And the reality is, if you were to compare our trades and our system to anybody fucking else, there is no competition. We are making the biggest percentage gains with the cheapest, lowest barrier to entry. We have many people in here with small accounts. We also have many multimillionaires who prefer to pay less and make the biggest percentage gains in the market, and who prefer to win most, and who prefer to win non-fucking stop all fucking day. As a matter of fact, Uncle Tio, keeps on win. He's on the Forbes list, right? In terms of his trade, he ended up buying SPX 586 calls at 210 a contract. This guy's only had one red day in the past 3 fucking months trading very consistently, and he's been making the biggest fucking percentage gains on SP fucking X. He buys these SPX calls, up 16% instantly, and then as you can see, he just keeps on fucking winning, man. All of these multimillionaires have these systems where they just keep on fucking winning, and they're outperforming all of you. Every single one of you, every single fucking organization out there, every single fucking group out there, they are fucking outperforming all of you. Do you understand? If you don't join this group, you will be left behind. 2025 is your chance, is your opportunity to change your fucking life, man. If you come with us, we'll change your life. You'll fucking see it, man. We have many members who are making $500 a day. We have many members who are making $1,000 a day. We have some members who are making 5 figures a week. We have some members who are making over 6 fucking figures a month. One runner in the money, $200 to $800. Last fucking week, $200 into $3,000 with one fucking contract. Where are you going to risk $200 to make $3,000 on a consistent basis? Trading SPY and SPX options is the best thing you can optimize for. We've optimized for a money-making system that is going to print all of our members' money at the speed of fucking light. Losing and going red is a personal fucking choice. Now, for those of you who are serious about making money, I gave you the invitation to join on Friday to print non-fucking stop. If you didn't accept it, you missed out on over 1,000%. You missed out on over fucking 13 fucking wins. You missed out on a massive fucking green week and green fucking day. You missed the fuck out, man. Get in here and join Team Roar. If you are serious about making money and surrounding yourself with multimillionaires, with a zero-date option trading alert system, with a badass community that's printing at the speed of fucking light, it is the first link down below within the description. We have hundreds of members who've been with us since the start for over 15 months. We have many, many members, man, who are absolutely fucking crushing it, man. And there is no place like this community, and there's nothing like this fucking system out there, man. The amount of winning, the amount of big winning, the amount of consistency, the amount of fucking printing, and at the speed of fucking light. There's nothing fucking like this on the fucking planet, man. They say comparison is the thief of joy. Because if you were to compare what we're doing to any other fucking group out there, you'd realize, oh shit, those people over there, they're not even fucking traders. They're just fucking educators. They're just fucking nefarious paid actors. They just buy and sell and use stop losses. They don't make any gains. They don't know what the fuck they're doing. You understand? You come with us. You come into the light. You come in contact with something real. You get awakened. You make money. You print. Some of you are going to do massive fucking things. And some of you are going to find out, oh shit, trading's not for me. This is a real group. I found out the truth. It's not for me. But if you are watching this video, You are chosen. You are chosen to find out and see if this is for you, man, to see if trading is for you. Because I'm telling you, man, this is very, very real in terms of what we have in here. And we are printing at the speed of fucking light. And nobody is printing at this level of fucking caliber, man. It does not fucking exist. We are the fucking ones. If you want to experience something real, if you want to print with us at the speed of fucking light, it is the first link down below within the description. All we do is fucking print, man. We print non-fucking stop. It is unlimited fucking winning. It is unlimited fucking printing at the speed of fucking light. If you are ready to make money with us, it is the first link down below within the description, man. Let's make 2025. Let's make this your best fucking year, man. Let's make this your best fucking year. Even for all you small accounts, man. You can be this bird. You can have a small fucking account. But if you hold your fucking trades and size in accordingly and have big fucking balls, you can win non-fucking stop, man. I am telling you, there is no fucking excuses. Losing and going red is a personal fucking choice, man. It's unlimited fucking winning, man. All I see is fucking winning. Non-fucking stop. No bitching, no whining, no complaining, no fucking hating. Just winning. Unlimited fucking winning. A group that fucks and a group that fucking wins. Non-fucking stop. Finally, something fucking real. Like, man, it's the first link down below within the description. If you want to print non-fucking stop, unlimited at the speed of fucking light, it is the first link down below within the description. I can assure you, we're going to absolutely crush it. We will absolutely crush the fucking market this fucking week, man. Nobody's doing this, man. Nobody's making this amount of gains. Nobody's winning this fucking much. Nobody's fucking like us, man. Let's be fucking real. Who the fuck do you know is showing you this every single fucking day, man? You think it's all the famous motherfuckers on YouTube with hundreds of thousands, millions of subscribers? You think it's them? Compare our fucking trades to theirs. There is no fucking comparison, motherfucker. The people who are doing this, they're not even on fucking social media, man. Understand? Shiro doesn't have a fucking social media. Tio doesn't have a fucking social media. The fuck, man? All we do is print. We print non-fucking stop. It's unlimited fucking printing, man. Who the fuck is doing this? Are you awake yet? I'm trying to wake you the fuck up. How many fucking days, man? How many fucking, what? 100 fucking green days in a row with the biggest fucking wins. Then you're gonna join? You're gonna join fucking 6 months later after fucking unlimited fight? Like, dude, get the fuck in here. Do not waste your fucking time. You will get left behind. Dedicate yourself and apply yourself to this system and to this fucking community. You'll start fucking printing, man. It's gonna take time to figure it out, man. You don't gain decades of fucking experience overnight. But if you work alongside the right people in the right group and you fuse with them, you will level up. If you are not leveling up, if you're in another fucking group, you're not leveling up, you're not making fucking money, they're not trading in real fucking time, they're just fucking educating, get the fuck out of that group, dude. Cancel that shit. Come with us. If you want your life to change, come with us. It's the first link down below within the description. It's unlimited fucking winning, non-fucking stop. I will see you guys tomorrow within the chat. We're going to absolutely fucking destroy the fucking market.